Dear students, I am Gopal Sao, a senior teacher of St. Mary's School. I am going to teach quadratic equation, which is a very interesting subject and chapter also from math. And I am interested to solve how to solve the quadratic equation. It is a one variable equation having the power is 2. Okay, like x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. We have to solve the quadratic equation by using factorization method, another by using formula method. Let us go through the book. Okay. My dear students, we are going to exercise 5A. Okay. Your exercise contains quadratic equation and we have solved the quadratic equation by factorization method. Which method? Factorization method. Okay. We have to solve the equation one by one by using factorization. Let us see what is the factorization method. Let us consider one sum from the book exercise, that is 5A. Let us see. See the exercise I am writing here. Exercise number, that is 5A. I am going to solve question number. Directly I am solving question number 6. Okay. See the type of question what is given here. Question number 6. You have to solve for x. Solve for x using which method? Factorization method. The sum is like this given. Question number 6 first part. 217 minus x root over is equal to x minus 7. This is the question. Slight new type question given. You have to solve the equation by prime factorization method. Simply memorize factorization method. See, this is root over sign given this side. And this is x minus 7. How to solve this? See, squaring both sides. If I square both sides, this will be 217 minus x and this will be x minus 7 whole square. Squaring both sides, okay? This will be 217 minus x. This will be a minus b whole square formula is what? X square minus 2ab, that is 14x plus b square, that is 49. See, I am writing again right hand side part here means x square minus 14x plus 49, and this part I have to take that side. This will be what? Plus x and minus 217 so equal to 0. This part I am writing here and the left hand side taking that side means all sign will be reversed. After that you adjust here. See here, x square minus 14x and plus x, this will be minus 13x and 49 and here 217. After subtraction, how will we get? Minus, tell me subtraction. 217 minus 49 will how much? 8, 6, 168. 168. You have to factorize means minute by minute term breaking. Okay. Multiplication will be 168 minus and addition is minus 13. How to factorize? In the rough work you have to do like this 168 just factorize. Okay. It will go by 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8. Again it will go by 2. This will be 42. Again it will go by 2. 21. Again it will go by 3. 3 7 is 21. I am getting the factors of 168 written here. You have to adjust in such a manner that the multiplication will be 168 minus 168 and addition will be minus 13. See here, 7 3 is 21 and 2 to 4 4 3 12 2 to 4 4 2 is 8. How to expand? You see 21 minus 21 and plus 8. It will be how much? If I write here 3 7 is 21 minus 21 and 2 to 4 to 8, I am writing here plus 8. Minus 21 plus 8, it will give you minus 13 and if you multiply, you will get minus 168. This is the raw power I have done here in the side by. Okay. I am writing here x square minus middle term breaking minus 21x plus 8x minus 168 equal to 0. From the first two, I have to take only x common, that is x minus 21 From the last two I have to take 8 common, that will be x minus 21. Just like factorization method. Okay. See, x minus 21 you have to take outside, and this will be x plus 8. X plus 8. Okay. That is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 21 equal to how much? 0. And second bracket, that is x plus 8 also equal to 0. Here what you will get? X equal to minus 21, if you take that field, it should be plus 21, x equal to 21. And here what you will get? X is equal to plus 8, if you take that side, it will be minus 8, x is equal to minus 8. How many results you are getting? That is x is equal to 21, x is equal to 21, or x is equal to minus 8. There are two answers you are getting. Two answers. In case of quadratic equation, you will get two values of x. Okay. Next sum will go. See the question number 6, second part. First part already I have completed, second part doing. See the question. 4x square minus 15x, root over sign given, whole root over given, equal to minus 2 given. How to remove this root over sign? That is the first part. I am giving impression here. Squaring both sides, this root over will be vanished. 4x square minus 15x. And this minus 2 whole square. Squaring both sides. You have to write here. I am copying it. As the root over sign given, you have to squaring both sides. And this will be 4x square minus 15x. This minus 2 whole square will be how much? Plus 4. If you bring this side, this will be minus 4 equal to 0. Now you have to break using factorization method. Middle term breaking. 4 4 is 16. Multiplication will give you minus 16. Addition is minus 15. Okay. I think you have done in class, lower class factorization, just middle term breaking factorization you have to do here. This will be minus 16x plus x minus 4 equal to 0. By the using factorization method, I am breaking here minus 15 in case of minus 16 and plus x. From the first two I have to take 4x common, that will be x minus 4. Now from the last I have to take plus 1 common, that will be x minus 4 equal. See, we have taken 1 common here and x minus 4 equal to 0. Now you have to take x minus 4 common. See, after taking x minus 4, what is left here? 4x left here plus 1 left equal to 0. The first bracket equal to 0 and second bracket also equal to 0. As it is given, total product 0 given. Now from the first bracket you are getting x equal to 4. Minus 4 taking that side, this will plus 4. And here plus 1 taking that side, this will minus 1. The next will be how much? Minus 1 by 4. So how many answers are you getting? Two answers of x, that is x equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1 by 4. As it is a quadratic equation, we will get two answers always. Okay. Next sum will go. See the question number 7 I am doing. Number 7. I am doing 7 fourth part. Okay. You have to solve for x, no doubt. Question given like this. M by x minus n plus n by x minus n equal to 2 given. See, this is a technical sum you have to solve in this manner. See, m by x minus n. This 2 is given this side, bring this side. And keep here, minus 1 is here. And n by x minus n. And here is minus 1 equal to 0. I am taking these two this side, keeping here minus 1 and here minus 1 equal to how much? Minus 2. Adjusted or not? That 2 right hand side bringing left hand side, keeping here minus 1, another minus 1 keeping here. Now take LCM. This will how much? X minus n, m minus x plus n. This is the first bracket, plus sign. Second bracket also LCM, x minus m. Okay. And this will be n minus x plus m. Second bracket. Now see, in the numerator I can take common m plus n minus x common. See, m plus n minus x I have taken common here also. N plus m plus n minus x taken common. 1 by x minus n plus 1 by x minus n. Bracket close. Okay. Bracket close equal to sign 0. See here. Therefore, first bracket, that is m plus n minus x equal to 0. And second bracket, that is given 1 by x minus n plus 1 by x minus n equal to 0. And here what you will get here? m plus n minus x take that side, this will be equal to x. Therefore x is equal to how much? That is m plus n. This is first part answer. And here you will get, see, 1 by x minus n, and this one you take that side, this will be minus 1 by x minus m. By cross multiplication, this part is multiplied here by cross multiplication method, x minus m into 1, x minus m, and this one you have to multiply with minus 1, this will be minus x plus n. Okay. Now this minus x bring this side, this will be x plus x, and minus m you take that side, this will be m plus n. Finally what you are getting? X plus equal to how much? 2x. 2x is equal to m plus n. Therefore what is the value of x? This is m plus n by 2. This is one answer and this is another one. I hope you are able to understand the question number 7 from the beginning. Next class we will do remaining part of the exercise. Thank you very much.